In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member and assign their tasks to someone else in the admin console. To get started, sign in to your account and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, click your profile photo to open the account menu. From the options that appear, select Admin Console. This area is where you manage users, permissions, and other account level settings, so it's the right place to go when you need to update membership. Once you're in the admin console, move to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Members. This section shows the people currently connected to the account. Depending on the size of your team, you may see a short list or a much longer directory, so take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before continuing. Next, find the profile row for the member you want to remove. Make sure you select the correct person, especially if several users have similar names or roles. It's a good idea to quickly review the row details before making any changes, since removing the wrong member can create unnecessary confusion later. When you've found the right member, click Remove. At this point, the system will prompt you to choose a replacement user who will take over that member's assigned tasks. This is an important step because it helps prevent work from being left unassigned. Select the person who should inherit those responsibilities. Ideally, this should be someone who already has the right context, permissions, or workload capacity to continue that work smoothly. After choosing the replacement user, follow the on-screen prompt to confirm the change. Once confirmed, the member will be removed and their assigned tasks will be transferred to the person you selected. This helps keep your workflows organized and ensures continuity for the team. Before you finish, it's worth double checking that the reassignment happened as expected. If your system updates instantly, you should be able to review the member list and task ownership right away. Taking this extra moment can help you catch any issues early and avoid interruptions for the new task owner. That's all there is to it. By opening the admin console, going to members, locating the correct profile, and using remove to assign a replacement user, you can cleanly remove a member without losing track of their work.